Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn some English words about technology. Computer. I use my computer to work from home every day. Screen. The computer screen went black after the power cut. Keyboard. This keyboard has very quiet keys, perfect for typing in an office. Mouse. I prefer using a wireless mouse for more flexibility. Laptop. She takes her laptop to the cafe to study. Telephone. The telephone rang just as I was leaving the house. Mobile device. More people are shopping online using their mobile devices. Tablet. The children use the tablet to watch educational videos. Headphones. I always carry my headphones when I travel. Charger. Don't forget to bring your phone charger to the trip. USB drive. I saved the presentation on a USB drive. Wi-Fi. The cafe offers free Wi-Fi to all customers. Smartwatch. My smartwatch tracks my steps and heart rate. Printer. The printer is out of paper again. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.